Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a full review and first impressions video on this Whirlpool electric double oven range. This double oven range is part of the Gold series, which I'll show you in just a moment, and it offers 5 distinctive burners and also a warming zone. And in this review, I'll tell you about my own personal opinion on the double oven range, and then talk to you about the features and functions of it. Let's get right into the video. So as you can see, it's part of the Gold series. It has, as you can see over here, I said 5 burners and a warming zone. It's actually 5 burners, including the warming zone. So I was slightly off with how I introduced it, but you can see there are 4 burners and the warming zone over here. So 5 burners in total, including the warming zone. So I do apologize. I believe I said it wrongly at the beginning of the video. Now, my wife and I, we redid the kitchen recently. We did a big renovation, and the kitchen was one of the main things that we did. And we still had our old oven. We just kept our older oven because the old owners of the house had left us the oven that they had got, and it was still fairly new. But the oven was giving us some problems, so eventually we replaced it with this. And at the time of me filming this, we've had this oven for this double oven range for about, I'd say about 3 months. So it's sort of a first impressions video, but we use it every day. So I mean, 3 months of using it every day, at least once a day. We're talking about probably about at least 100 uses. So, you know, I've had my fair share of uses with this. It's absolutely awesome. So as you can see right here, with regards, I have to clean the stove top. I just cleaned it recently, but I think I was cooking rice the other night and some of it spilled over, and, you know, various other stuff. So I got to clean this again. Anyways, continuing on with the review, this right here is a triple burner, 1, 2, 3, and you can see with that one right there, you have all 3 burners, just 2, and then the inner one over here. This right here is a double burner, and these are large. I like this because it's like super oversized. I have a really big pan. It's almost like a wok type of pan, and it's really deep. And you know, I'll make things like stir-fried rice in it and stuff like big 1 pan meals. And this is big enough to accommodate that. This one has 2 burners. You can see the inner and the outer, and these just have single burners right here, and then the warming zone in the middle. Okay, the knobs, I like them because they're tactile. To be honest with you, I'm a really big person on when you turn something off or on, you want to feel it and know that it's turned off. So when I click these off, like they click off. It's not like they're loose or anything like that. They just click off. I've used ovens and stoves and ranges where like you don't even know if it's fully off because it doesn't give you that tactile click. These knobs, when you turn them off, they click off, and that's a high quality knob in my opinion. Okay, I know it's probably not a big deal to you, but to me it is. Okay, it has 2 ovens. This is one of the main reasons why my wife, I told my wife, I said, listen, you could choose whichever range you want. Like literally just buy whichever one, just choose whichever one you want and we'll get it. Like for me, I don't have many preferences other than the knobs turning off nice and tactile, right? She chose one that has a double range because she wanted a double range. Really awesome because you have a smaller range on the top for cooking. Let's say like, you know, we put fries in here sometimes and it heats up really quickly because it's such a small zone. And then you have a bigger range on the bottom, which is really good because you can put anything in here, and it also has the convection fan over there. It's cool because you can heat things up at 2 different temperatures, cook things at 2 different temperatures as well. Okay, and you can see with the upper oven we have bake, frozen bake, broil, and keep warm. Those are the options. Lower oven we have bake, broil, keep warm, and convect. Those are the options. Now I have done a precise clean. With this, I haven't done the steam clean, but from what I was reading, the steam clean should be really cool. I'll probably do a video on it when I steam clean it in the future on how to do it, but I'm not planning on doing that for another couple months. But I did a precise clean and it worked really well. Here's the buttons for the warming zone. You can turn the warming zone on or off. You can see warm zone right here. Works really well. I've used it many times. As you can see, you have a button for the light. You have a button for the alarm, I believe. I've never actually used this right here, or maybe for the clock. I apologize if you want to set the clock. You know what, whenever there's a power outage, my wife is like a fanatic about setting the clocks all at the same time. So like she makes sure that every clock in the house is literally like basically like synchronous. Okay, so she's the one who ends up setting the time because, you know, setting the clock is, like I said, she's fanatical about it. But I love her for it. That's not a dig. You know, it's awesome because all of the clocks are just in sync, which is awesome. You have your timer over here, your settings options, and then you have your upper oven control and your lower oven control to start or cancel, you know, whatever you're doing with the upper or lower oven. And that's basically it. This has been a very simple review. I absolutely love it. It's an awesome unit. It's a high quality range, double oven range, with regards to everything about it. The double oven, the 5 burners, the knobs, the high quality knobs, all of the options on the screen. Everything about it is awesome. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.